Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS affiliate login and verification step by step clearly. To start the authentication process with your AWS affiliate login, open your web browser. Navigate to the AWS affiliate program's homepage. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both email and password are correct to avoid errors. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Once logged in, you may be prompted to verify your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. You might receive a verification email. Check your inbox for that message. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This link will direct you back to the AWS affiliate dashboard. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you still haven't received the email, consider requesting a new verification email from the login page. Once you have verified your account, return to the AWS affiliate dashboard. You are now ready to explore the affiliate program and its resources. Familiarize yourself with the various tools available for affiliate marketing. Make sure to review the program policies to understand your obligations. Finally, ensure your payment information is complete and up to date in your account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.